Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. Now start. Open Visual Studio Code and load your project folder so the terminal targets the right path. Once the window is ready, press Ctrl plus backtick to open the integrated terminal quickly. If that shortcut conflicts, use View Right Arrow Terminal from the menu. This reveals the panel at the bottom. Make sure the correct workspace is selected, because the terminal will inherit the active folder path and environment variables. This affects commands you run next. Once the terminal appears, choose the shell that fits your workflow by clicking the drop-down next to the New Terminal button. Pick PowerShell, Command Prompt, Bash, or WSL. You can open multiple terminals with the plus icon and split the view to run parallel tasks. This is useful for build and test simultaneously. Make sure to configure persistent preferences in Settings, Terminal, Integrated, Shell, Font Size, and Environment variables so future sessions behave the same and save time when automating. Finish by running a simple command, node v, Python version, or Git version, to confirm the terminal works and uses the intended environment. If satisfied, set your chosen shell as the default via Settings Right Arrow Terminal, Right Arrow Default Profile, so every new terminal opens correctly. If the terminal doesn't open, restart Vscode first. Then verify the shell executable path in Settings, and temporarily disable extensions that might hijack the terminal. That one troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.